So I wasn't actually going to record this today, but something shifted in the market that reminded me exactly of 2018 and 2021. So if you are holding Bitcoin or crypto, altcoins, or if you're waiting for this bottom or that bottom, then the next 72 hours are a massive trap. And I've been in this space. I've been grinding in this space since 2018. I've seen this exact quiet before the storm 3 times in a row. Everyone is looking at the FOMC or the headlines, but they're missing the actual liquidity moves, right? So, right now, it's basically us versus the banks, right? Right? Us versus the banks. While everyone is panicking over the news, the whales are actually doing what? Buying. They're buying. And, I can't help but think that now is the time to start thinking about dollar cost averaging. Now is the time to start thinking about investing. Now is the time to start thinking about what your plan is for the next 5 years. Because everything is changing. The financial landscape is changing. Everything is changing. And, you can either just keep on falling for the crap. You can keep on doing the same thing and you keep falling for the crap. Or you can take a risk, take a chance, and do something different, right? Start investing. That's a risk. That's taking a chance. But it's a risk and a chance that might be worth taking, especially coming up. As always, not financial advice. Invest at your own risk and only invest what you can afford to lose. But definitely might be time to start thinking about this if you haven't already. And if you find this helpful at all, hit the like button so the algorithm could show this to more people who need to see it. Could definitely use the boost, and I do appreciate it. And of course, you can check out some of the links in the description if you are interested in trading crypto. If you already are trading crypto and you want a little extra capital to move around with, you can check the links in the description for that. Got some nice perks for the community in there. But right now, the biggest trap isn't the price moving, it's not the price dropping, it's the fake out rallies, right? It's these rallies that are going up and liquidating the shorts, right? Everybody's betting on the price to go down, and the price is going to go down. But the rallies, the fake out rallies, right? The bull traps, which is something like what we've seen recently with Bitcoin. And, in future videos on this channel, I'll talk about the ways you can find those in the charts, and analyze this kind of stuff in the charts. But I also want to do more content like this, more just average Joe content, right? I mean, it's the channel, Average Joe Crypto. So that's where we need to go with that, I think. So if you think that that's something that you'd be interested in, then subscribe to the channel if you are new, for sure. Now, my personal play, I'm keeping an eye on what Bitcoin does within the next couple of months. I do believe that this could be a really good time to stay very focused on what Bitcoin does in the next couple of months. And there's certain price levels, and if we break certain price levels and maintain certain price levels, reclaim certain levels of support for Bitcoin, it'll be a whole different ballgame at that point. Now, bottom line, don't let all this noise with the news and all the fear and uncertainty, all the doubt, distract you from the cycle. We've seen this before, and we know how it ends. You know that it's the time, even if it doesn't seem like it all around you. Deep down you feel it. It's the time, right? It's the time. So just stay vigilant, right? Stay sharp out there, and and make sure that you are just not getting distracted. Because I feel like that's what a lot of this is for. I feel like that's what a lot of everything around us is for. It's to keep us distracted from maybe your own personal goals, things that you need to do or need to work on, right? Who cares what anybody else thinks or does or says? Who cares, you know? We have to do what is best for us. And yeah, man, we have to do what's best for us. So, with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, of course, and hope to see you guys in the comments. I'll be replying.